Hello everyone, today we talk about tea ceremony or the way of tea. A while ago we demonstrated the character, way or principle in Chinese, Dao, Dao, and tea in Chinese is cha, cha. So the way of tea or tea ceremony is chádào, chádào. Let's see how these characters are written. So the key principle of the way of tea are actually consists of like four characters, four terms. They are harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. So these key terms actually can apply to Chinese calligraphy as well. So when we write or when we perform tea rituals, we have to show our respect and be focused and to keep our mind as peaceful as possible. Thank you.